Hi everyone, Rovina Fernandez here. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I'll be sharing with you a very special biryani, that is the Ambur Biryani. Ambur is a place in Tamilnadu and this biryani is a speciality of that place. I learned this recipe while I was in Bangalore. While this biryani has travelled from Ambur to Bangalore, there is a slight variation in the preparation. So I will be sharing you both the methods. So this is the one how it is prepared in Bangalore. The other one I will be posting in my upcoming videos. So do visit my blog for a complete story on preparing the Ambur biryani. Do watch my video till the end for all the tips and tricks of preparing this biryani, and if you like it, please do subscribe to my channel, share my channel with your friends and relatives, and also please do like it. Thank you so much for watching.
Generally, bullet rice or jeera rice is used in this preparation. Soak the rice at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before you cook the rice. In a vessel, add 4 times of water to the quantity of rice. To this, add 3 tablespoons of salt, quarter cups of oil. Add all the garam masala, that is the bay leaf, cloves, cardamom, black cardamom, stone flower, cinnamon, mace, star anise and jeera. Scrape a little bit of nutmeg to enhance the flavor of the dish. Add ginger garlic paste and 1 lemon. Add few coriander and mint leaves. Green chillies. Let the water boil. Meanwhile, let's make the preparation for the aloo. Heat half cup of oil. Add 500 grams of onions. Sprinkle some salt so that the onions cook faster. Saute them for some time. Now you can see the onions have become slightly musky. Add all the garam masalas. Add 5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. See that the ginger garlic paste has more of garlic and less of ginger. Saute it for some time. Add the green chilies. If you are not looking for too spicy, you can reduce the amount of green chilies. Now add the meat. I always prefer to have more chicken than the rice. For example, if you take 1 kg of chicken, you can add 750 grams of rice. So this gives a better flavor and an enhanced taste. Saute it for some time. Add 500 grams of tomatoes. Let the chicken cook in the tomatoes. Add the chopped coriander and mint leaves and mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of chilli powder and 5 tablespoons of coriander powder. Squeeze 3 lemons. Add turmeric powder. Add half cup of water. Do not add too much of water as chicken is going to release some of the water while cooking. Add the curd. Mix it well and close the lid and let the chicken cook. Let it cook for 5 minutes. You can see the water boiling, and now it's time to add the rice.
While preparing Ambur Biryani, another thing that you have to keep in mind is cook the rice only up to 70% and then add it to the pot where the chicken is getting cooked. So the rest of the rice cooks along with the chicken.
Add the drained rice to the akni and mix it.
Now we have come to the end of this preparation, and the most important part is how to pack the biryani for the dum. So first thing what you have to do is, once you finish all the mixing process, add generous amount of ghee on top of it and then place a burning coal in a small bowl and keep it inside the biryani pot and pour some more ghee on that. So when you're doing this, it starts smoking, so immediately seal the biryani pot and keep some weight on it. If you want to enjoy a perfect restaurant style Ambur Biryani, I am going to tell you a very important tip here. So what you have to do is you need to have 1 hour of patience. So the packing is done, put your gas on sim and then you have to cook it for just 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, please don't be in a hurry to open the pot. Leave it for another 30 minutes there and then you open the pot.
After 1 hour of dum, the biryani is ready. Just take out the coal, mix the biryani. You can see the rice is not sticking. Enjoy this unique Ambur style biryani. I hope you all will like it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel to get updates on my new videos. Thank you so much for watching.